Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I am here in sunny southern Florida. And I know it doesn't seem very Christmassy, but Christmas is coming even here. So I thought it would be important today to use this impromptu, just temporarily set up table to do a video for you about this 5-foot tall inflatable Santa. They call him a Christmas gingerbread man, and he's a cute little Santa. So I thought I'd get him for the front yard, and I thought I'd share with you if he's any good, what the quality looks like. And so the only way to do that, take him out here, let's blow him up and see what he looks like. Okay, so as I mentioned before, this is a little bit different concept. It's a 5-foot inflatable Christmas gingerbread man. What that is, I'm not exactly sure, but let's open him up, see what it is. I'm normally pretty good about what I've bought. Wondering if maybe Nikki snuck in there and bought this one. Ooh, this one comes with a little more than most items. What are these? I have no idea what that is. There are 2 of them in here. Has the normal stakes, rope. I have no idea. It has no instructions with it. I don't know, let's blow them up, see if it becomes self-evident, whatever those things are. Rolled up pretty tight. Okay, that's what he looks like. Let's give it a little power. More power. Oh, he's got a little belly button. Oh, he is a gingerbread man. Nikki must have bought him. He's not a Santa. I thought he was a Santa. He is actually a gingerbread man. Blows up nice and fast. He's definitely like a little on the thinner side. Like I could see right straight through him, like almost transparent. I mean, he does have some lights on him, which helps with that. He's got a nice little bow tie. Okay, again, this is one of these ones where it kind of has no weight in the bottom. He's very narrow, very tall. This guy will only stand when properly tied down. Again, a little thinner, especially when I can see right straight through him. I'm gonna give this one like a 1 to 2 years on the Doug score in terms of how long he's gonna survive in the front yard. This is an up north score. Out here in Florida, he'll last forever. But like if I put him out in a nor'easter in New York, not so sure how well he would do. But he is adorable. I like the idea of adding a gingerbread man to our display in the front of the house. That's so cool. Say hi.